Hi, this is John, and this is my group video presentation on Home Depot. Home Depot, they has one potential strategic alternative that we've identified, and that's to expand more into home decor. Previously, Home Depot has been dominated by male consumers who are typically going there to do their residential, commercial, or small projects and things like that. Home Depot hasn't done much sales in the home decor. However, they have previously acquired roughly 17 companies that are in the home decor type realm, but no companies major enough to really fast track Home Depot to having more of the home decor market share. Currently, Home Depot can expand its home decor into their stores and online platforms. So by having more third-party vendors on the online website for Home Depot, they can offer more products and have more face in the home decor realm. Home Depot previously has done this before with separate companies, but after a while decided they wanted to do it themselves, and they're showing that they're lacking for those sales because of that. Another way that Home Depot can offer more home decor is allowing for specific floor room space to be specifically for home decor. Right now, when you go into Home Depot, majority of the things there, take some putting together, and that can be a deterrent for a consumer. So to have consumers that want to go there and shop and for example, buy pictures or buy couches or buy just different things that can be considered home decor, it would be beneficial for Home Depot to have a specific space in the store where these shoppers can go and pick out what they want and go ahead and purchase it and take it home. Currently, right now, they don't have much of that. Majority of it is building supplies and tools and things like that. Home Depot has an opportunity to acquire or merge with other companies as well, aside from partnering with companies for online sales and in-store sales. Right now, there's a couple opportunities out there that we thought was a good idea, and Bed Bath & Beyond and Pier 1 were those companies. Right now, those companies haven't been producing too well, and overall, the industry has been lacking innovation. Home Depot, if they were to acquire or merge with one of these companies and really juice up their online vendors and find creative ways to innovate their website to have it where people are going to be excited about what the company is offering now, and a fresh face for itself in the Home Depot, in the home decor market. So right now, by doing acquisitions or mergers with companies like Pier 1 or Bed Bath & Beyond or Kmart or things like that, Home Depot is able to increase its market share and it can increase its innovation. Some other things that acquisitions and mergers bring along with it is the different companies' cultures and things like that can help Home Depot have a fresh face in the home decor market.